Weather coverage you can count on with meteorologist Rob Elvington and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And Muscle Shoals, you are minutes away from that line reaching you. We are expecting strong gusty winds. Thankfully, nothing severe warned at this point, but we're watching it closely. And you'll notice temperatures still in the low 60s, so that is helping us out some right now. We just did not warm up as much as we thought we would, so that's kind of lowering the instability here this evening. But we could still find some strong to severe thunderstorms as that line races through North Alabama. You'll notice that we do have a couple of warnings out right now off to our southwest into north and northeast Mississippi. Severe thunderstorm warning now impacting parts of Tupelo. That line, of course, heading towards North Alabama. Even a tornado warning further off to the southwest. This line is moving quickly, closer to about 45 to 50 miles per hour now. Again, other than that line, we're seeing mostly quiet conditions, but we are tracking a couple of stronger cells now moving through Franklin County. Those will be heading towards Colbert, even northern Lawrence County over the next 30 minutes. Zooming in closer, there's our Muscle Shoals radar, which makes up the part of the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. That's the leading edge. So again, quickly racing towards Florence here in the next 10 to 15 minutes, as well as Muscle Shoals. If I switch over to the velocity data, that's the wind data that our Muscle Shoals radar is scanning. And keep in mind, our Muscle Shoals radar, by the time it's reaching the line right now, it's scanning at about 1,000 feet off the ground. All the other nearby radars, they're closer to 7,000 or 8,000 feet above the ground. So what you're seeing is what you're getting right now at ground level. And we are seeing winds closer to about 45 miles per hour as you get into some of these brighter greens. So again, that is now racing through parts of Lauderdale and now Colbert County. If we zoom out, and you'll notice this is the rotation tracker. This is the spin that's picked up by the radars. And you'll notice some of these individual cells out ahead of the main line. They are rotating. They're not strong enough yet to produce a strong tornado, but again, they are rotating. There's also parts of the line that is now moving into the shoals that's also rotating. So let's put a track on this. We do expect this to be moving into Florence, closer to about 5:54, maybe a little bit sooner now. Closer to Rogersville at 6:26, Athens at 6:56, and 7:09 for Decatur. But again, this is a fast-moving line, so it's going to be on top of you very soon. Future radar, this is here 6 o'clock this evening, about 40 minutes from now. It's running a little bit slower than reality, but again, that line continue to move off to the east, moving over top of I-65 around 7 to 8 o'clock tonight, damaging straight line winds on that leading edge, and even the chance for a spin-up tornado. What's left of this line will continue to race to the east, and by 9, 10 o'clock tonight, now starting to move towards DeKalb County and also parts of Jackson County before exiting off to the east into Georgia. Could find a few lingering showers and even an isolated storm overnight. Not expected to be strong or severe. And then we dry things out heading through the rest of your Thursday morning and into your Thursday afternoon, with even some sunshine breaking out to wrap up your Thursday afternoon. Keep in mind that we still have the chance of seeing some flash flooding. We are at a 2 out of 4 risk right now for the rest of today and into Thursday morning. That's what that yellow indicates on the map. So please never drive over any flooded roadways. So that's the first severe weather threat here this week. We have a low chance for a few strong to possibly isolated severe storms by Friday evening, but the next big event will be Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. We are still highlighted by the Storm Prediction Center for that, for scattered severe storms for this weekend. Look at future radar for Friday. Thankfully, the trend has weakened some for Friday afternoon, Friday evening. And then by Saturday morning, we'll be watching that line off to our northwest, moving in by the mid-afternoon hours through the shoals, and then right over top of Huntsville and Coleman, closer to the early evening hours. And then that line moves off to the east outside of Sand Mountain by early Sunday morning. And there will be some very cold air moving in behind that cold front, and we could even see maybe some snow showers for parts of North Alabama. Not expecting significant snow at this point. No impacts to roads, but something we'll watch closely. So your Sunday forecast all the way up to the first day of 2022, we'll be tracking temperatures in the low 70s, also those warm overnight lows. But once that cold front clears us early Sunday morning, look at the drop in temperatures. We're down at 24 for a low on Monday morning. It has been quite some time since we've seen temperatures that low. And look at the afternoon high on Monday, 45 degrees.